Okay, Dave, let's say you and your business partner both agree you can't work together anymore. One of you says, let's just do a buyout and move on. No formal valuation, no lawyers, just picking a number and trying to be done with it. What would concern you the most about handling it this way?
So business owners will often think that they have an agreement with their partner about getting a buyout from the company. Whether you're being bought out or buying the other person out, you have an agreement as to value. And then the first question I ask is, what have you done about discounts? It's often something that has not even been thought of before. And minority discounts and marketability discounts, combined, can be as much as 30 or 40%. And what that means is that small, closely held company is not like Google or Microsoft, where there's a ready market where you can sell it that afternoon. So that's the marketability discount. And a 2% or a 20% or even a 49% interest is worth less than a proportionate share of a 51% interest. So 51% of a company gets you 100% of the control oftentimes. So those discounts can be very, very tricky issues. And if you have a significant value of the company and you have a 30 to 40% discount, that could dramatically impact the value. So when you have an agreement on value and you haven't taken into account how the discounts are going to be applied or not, you really don't have an agreement on anything. So you can still deal with these issues and you can still have an agreement and you can get it taken care of in a settlement agreement, for example, by having someone arbitrate whether or not discounts will apply. The issue of discounts are often based upon wrongdoing. If someone is getting bought out because they just don't want to be in the company anymore, that value is going to be discounted usually. If someone is being bought out because the court has found that they're an oppressed minority shareholder under New Jersey law and the court is ordering the other side to buy them out, usually that's not going to be a discount and it's going to be a full value price. So the issue of discounts often goes hand in hand with the issue of wrongdoing. So it's very difficult to negotiate sometimes because you're not going to get your business partner to admit wrongdoing even if they do want to buy you out. So it can be dealt with in an agreement, and just because it's hard to reach an agreement on it doesn't mean you can't resolve the case short of expensive and protracted shareholder dispute litigation. So if you talk to an attorney about these issues, you can get an agreement with your partner that's written the right way that can resolve these thorny issues.